Hence, laser PCB board marking divided by drilling equipment. How to achieve high efficiency and high precision marking on PCB and FPC boards in the SMT industry. Hence, Laser's latest PCB board marking equipment addresses your processing challenges. Tailored for the SMT industry, hence Laser PCB marking machine is capable of marking contents such as barcodes, QR codes, production batch numbers, characters, and so on. Enhanced with dual built-in vision positioning, cooperating system, automatic loading and unloading mechanism, automatic flipping unit, X-ray system, and lead shooting design. This machine enables large format PCB automatic marking, code reading, inner-layer QR code retrieval, and true fully automation in processing. Processing effects.